Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Will you please introduce yourself and tell me what grade you're in?
Hi, I'm Barrett Rogers, and I'm in the 4th grade. And my name is DeAndre Kingston O'Hara. I'm in the 4th grade.
And can you tell me what category you're competing in?
Digital game design.
Digital game design. Okay, so tell me, why did you create your project? What was the reasoning for creating your project?
We like the ocean, so people like throw trash in the ocean, so the fish will eat it and die.
Okay, and so what is your project about? Can you tell me about your project?
It's about cleaning up all the trash in the ocean before the fish eats it and dies.
So your game is cleaning up trash. I love it. Okay, can you show me how your game works? Maybe play your game.
The fish goes to eat the trash, and we still haven't quite figured out how to move the net right here.
So the fish goes and eats the trash, and the net has to clean up the trash.
Before it eats it.
All right. So tell me about what software you use to create your game.
We use GameFruit.com.
Why did you choose GameFruit?
Because it seemed way simpler than all the other coding apps.
Awesome. Okay. Can you kind of tell me the steps that you took to create your project? What did you do within the coding piece of it? Can you kind of walk me through some of it?
Mm-hmm. So we have it to when the level starts, it'll make the background blue for the ocean. And then it says after 100 milliseconds pass, it will turn 30 degrees to the right, and it will turn 30 milliseconds have passed, and it will move 200 steps. Then, after the third pause for 100 milliseconds, it'll turn negative 30 degrees to the left, move up 100 steps, 85 degrees to the left, then move another 100 steps, making it eat the trash.
Okay. Can you kind of tell me how you got the trash on there or the fish on there? How did you get that? I see how you changed your screen blue. How did you get your objects on there?
Well, for the fish, we used Google Drawing, and for the net, we went on Google like this. Searched up fishing net. And then we just found one that looked good for the game. And we took a screenshot of it and then went over here, pressed add new media, upload it, and then we chose that screenshot.
Awesome. Okay. So y'all worked as partners. How did y'all work together? Did y'all have certain jobs that y'all did?
We just kind of took turns like coding and making sure everything worked.
Okay. So y'all had equal parts. Y'all both did the same things. Okay. How long did it take for you to create your game?
Maybe a few weeks.
A few weeks? And you're still working on it. Games are never finished, huh? So what was the easiest part of creating your game?
Probably adding like the trash bags and the net.
So adding your scripts in, your media in. What was the most challenging part?
Coding.
The coding. So how have you been able to overcome that challenge? How are you learning new pieces of code? What are you doing?
Well, when we first made this, the fish it was going so fast that you could barely even see it moving. So we added in these pauses to make it slow down, and you could see it moving slowly.
So it's just you have to take it one step at a time and debug. Perfect. All right, so moving forward, if you were to continue in advance, what are you going to do to your game? What's your plans for your game?
We're going to make it to where you can actually control the net and scoop up the trash.
Okay. Well, thank you guys for recording and participating in the set competition.